So you just got your DK93 press, and it came with some hardware. It comes in a yellow envelope, like so. Packaged nice and neat. And you have the main part of your press. So let's go ahead and install this together. We're going to go ahead and open this up. We have our handle. All we have to do is unthread . Go ahead and take this screw out of the handle. So your handle is now looking like this. Go ahead and go to your main body of your press. You're going to go ahead and stick this screw in, like so. I'll go like this so you can see. Do you see how the screw is sticking out just a little bit right here? Alright, so the handle, let's pretend my finger is the handle. The handle is going to go in between these two green parts, and this screw right here, you want to make sure that when you see this part right here, that you're threading the screw again back through this hole. Just like so. Alright, so here we go. I have the nut in one hand, I have the screw in one hand, and I have the handle in one hand as well. So I think that this would be best if you, in your left hand, if you hold the screw and hold the handle, and then in your right hand, well, depending if you're left or right-handed, hold the nut. Okay, so here we go. We're just gonna go to the press. We're gonna insert the screw. We're gonna put our press handle to where it's catching onto the screw. You see now it's poking out right here. And then we're just gonna go ahead and attach this nut. Okay? So this is what it's gonna look like. I'm gonna do it from this angle as well, just to make sure that you guys understand. So what I'm gonna do this in reverse. I'm taking off the nut. I'm removing the screw. And I have the handle right here. Alright guys? So let's just do this one more time. Get your screw, stick it into the hole. You see? Hopefully you guys can see how the screw is going in through the green part right here. All you're gonna do is you're gonna attach the handle. If you look at it from the top, you can see it better. And then kind of just wiggle it around until you get it through. Go ahead and push it through. And we're gonna go ahead and get that nut that we had. And we're gonna go ahead and secure it in place. That's how you install the handle for the DK93 press.